That contraption right there, that is my sprinkler system for our shop and yard. And currently it's on 8 zone. But ImoLaza hooked us up and they sent us this smart sprinkler system. And inside the box there's going to be all kinds of things. So let's open it up and let's get to it. First off, you want to use this. Now this is a 12 zone. Ours is 8, so we're going to have 4 extra zones, which means I can run extra lines. But this little QR code on the back is their customer service. If you ever need anything, and if you're putting it on the wall, which I'm not, as you can see, it's just going to sit here, you're going to use this, and you know, use a little measuring, not a measuring but a level, and drill your holes, insert your bulldogs that it comes with and the screws, and to mount the like box and have it, you know, level if you're putting it on the wall or outside. It comes with the labeler, and make sure when you take this thing apart that you take a picture, because you want to know where all the ones go. M is going to be main, C is central, and you know, 1 2 3 4 5 6, however you want to, whatever zone that's yours. Also, you can scan that for help. That's all you got to do. This is how easy the install is going to be. Like, this is how easy it's going to be. It's all labeled for you, ready to go. It's going to be super simple. And this is what it looks like. So this is it unboxed. You just saw everything that comes in the box besides like the power cord and, you know, that stuff. But as you can see, underneath is where everything goes, and you will use that little card wherever I stuck it to know where everything goes, right? So these 2 things teach you to install, but this is it. So I'm going to install it, take that thing apart, and then we're going to show you that these are not waterproof. So if you're going to put it outside, you see on the back, you can use that little thing to mount on the wall. But if you're going to put it outside, you need a box. The box don't come with it. You got to get a box. I'm pretty sure that this thing, it's probably older than me. Removing the 3 screws in the back of this thing, right here, and right here, it's going to allow you access to this where you can screw and unscrew to make sure you have a good connection. Right here is, you know, it's already labeled, so you're good to go. It's plug and play. The wires on this old thing was clip-on little metal clips. So what I'm having to do is just take a little wire stripper and basically make it available so it can go into just the plug-in thing. And for God's sakes, make sure you unplug everything, like everything. Don't electrocute yourself. No, none of these wires were labeled. So I'm using these stickers to now label these wires correctly. Alright, so we think we have it hooked up right. I don't know which zone is which, so we are just going to hit zone 1. And next, test zone.